I'm working on this gumball machine, this antique gumball machine that I bought for my other granddaughter for her birthday, and I am having to repair it. This one is so old, it takes pennies. This one is so old, it takes nickels. So I've got to drill out this and put a new lock in it so I can access. I think it's full of nickels. And I've ordered some stuff off Amazon to go in here. And then I'm taking it apart. I'm going to paint the stand to give it a little fresher look. I'm not going to paint any of this because I like the vintage antique look. So that's what I'm working on now. Follow along. I just finally got this bubble gum machine drilled out and got the lock and got it out. And no wonder it was so heavy. It was full of nickels. And look at these. So this one is a 19, let's see, 59. This one is a 1946 nickel. So this bubblegum machine is a 1 5 cent machine. Look, these are really old that are in here. It was so heavy, and no wonder, because it was full of nickels. How cool is that?